Status Medical Equipments India Private Limited is a leading manufacturer of urological devices since 1994. With more than 1,200 plus installations all over India. FlowComp, the standalone gravimetric uroflowmeter, is trusted by urologists nationwide for its precision and durability. Uroflowmetry is a non-invasive diagnostic test that measures the flow rate of urine during urination, and it is performed to check urinary retention, weakened bladder, or enlarged prostate. It is as important to a urologist as an ECG is to a cardiologist. FlowComp comes with a dot matrix printer and works independently without the need of a computer. It generates reports automatically after each micturition, perfect for routine urology diagnostics. Our uroflowmetry device, FlowComp, is designed for simplicity, accuracy, and ease of use, where it offers reliable uroflowmetry diagnostics with real-time flow rate and volume measurement. With its quick setup, intuitive operation, and reliable performance, FlowComp is the trusted choice for urologists seeking precision without complexity. Do contact us for more information.